Ace. What is this, guys? Do we know what this is? A little electric scooter. Do we know what kind of brand it is? No, we don't. Are you talking about my mother over there? Can't believe you. Got my helmet on. Let's go terrorize the neighborhood. Alright, this is pretty fun. I mean, not as fun as riding the CBR, but this is pretty fun. Let's see. Oh, there's another guy over there. Let's go catch up to him. I think he was riding a bike, though. I was about to hit the turn signals. Oh, shoot. See, I can't signal with my left hand because the brakes is the left, so, you know, it makes it weird. Like, if I'm braking like this, and I'm like, Hey, it's cool. It's got the speedometer. I'm going 21 miles per hour. 22. Picking up speed. 23. I'm full throttle. 24. I can't run this stop sign. Can I run this stop sign? 25. Okay, I gotta slow down a little bit. It's an intersection. Alright, let's go catch up to that guy. Let's go. 21. I don't know if I'm too heavy or I don't know if there's no air in the tires, but it's a bumpy ride. Let's go. We're gonna race this kid and catch up to him. Oh, it's struggling going uphill. It's struggling. 16, 17. Oh, and I bet you it goes faster if you go downhill. I'm gonna check it out. That lawnmower looks awesome. It looks like a freaking RC car almost. I think that meter in the below right there is the battery, hopefully. And the headlights are on, and I should watch where I'm going, but I'm not. I'm looking down at this little, oh shoot, I forgot the brakes. It free flows. So I'm letting go of the accelerator here, this thumb accelerator, the throttle here, and it's free flowing. There's no engine braking like how I'm used to on a motorcycle. But the brake controls both, I think. I'm not sure. Gotta slow down a little bit here. But they work pretty good. They work pretty good for as fast as you're going. So I actually came to a stop. I'm obeying traffic laws. Except this isn't street legal, but we do what we do. For the views. Oh yeah. Hello. Again. I mean, I've gotten this thing full throttle. Street lights are coming on. I think it's 25 miles per hour. I'm moving along. I don't know what that S means. It must mean super speed. Okay. Oh, that was rough. I rolled right over that thing. I'm going. This is nice if you want to just try to, like, just chilling around. This is nice for just, I don't know, going to the corner store, I guess, gas station. Is this a little basket or something? I don't know how if that opens up, but it'd be nice, you know, grab some to drink. Alright, I think I went right last time, so let's go left this time. Go on the sidewalk. Handle that. Oh, almost going. Yep, keep that momentum going. Go. Yeah, I don't know. I like riding in the streets a little better because all these cracks in the cement. Let's go. Oh yeah, I gotta see if countersteering works. Oh, it does. It does. It feels so weird on the scooter. Yeah, pretty comfortable on it. Alright, I'm not done yet. This is actually kind of fun. Alright, let's actually try to go down this hill. That hill right there. Let's see here. I'm gonna stop because there's a car coming. Jimmy John's there freaky fast, so you have to watch out for them. Let go! Alright, it's gonna struggle to get up this hill. Alright, it's struggling. It's struggling. Come on, you can do this, baby. You can do this. Alright, I'm about 180 pounds, and it is struggling to get up. There goes that awesome looking lawnmower. Alright, let's go. Let's turn around. Let's ready? No, let's make sure we get all the way to that. Now let's turn around. Let's do this. Keep that momentum going. Let's go. Let's go. We going. 15, 6, 17. Pick up that speed, baby. See? Oh, that intersection looks crazy. Hopefully nothing comes through at that point. 25. Does it go any faster? Is that the max? Did we hit the limit? We hit the limit? It doesn't even... Alright, I have to slow down. 25 miles per hour. Yeah, I would have got smashed by that car if I'd have ran that stop sign. Good thing I didn't. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel. I do motorcycle stuff. But you know, once in a while I gotta upload a different video, just for poops and giggles. And so this is one of those poops and giggles videos. So yeah, I don't know what brand it is, but it's just an electric scooter. It gets up to 25 miles per hour, and it's pretty fun to ride around in the neighborhood as long as you're safe and all. You know, it's quiet, so you're not really disturbing your neighbors. Like this neighborhood right here, it's just, you know, pretty chilled back, so there's not much traffic, and so we just ride around and everyone knows each other, and you know, we gotta watch out for each other's kids, right? So we just ride. Oh, let's go. Oh, go. So we couldn't go above 25 miles per hour, but you know, that's pretty fast on an electric scooter. It's starting to get dark, so I'll head back. I don't know how everything's gonna look, but yeah, subscribe, hit that like, and it's KTG is out. Oh, ooh, that was actually pretty fun. It was kind of scary and fun at the same time because these tires are so small. Oh, look at this bend. I gotta take this bend for in the video. Oh yeah, that counter steering really is in effect to us. Just push. Oh, see, when I push this right. Oh, with the right. Watch when I push the left handlebar. Oh, see. Oh. There you go. Thanks for watching, everyone. You guys have a great day. Stay blessed out there. KTT out for sure this time. I don't think I have anything else to say about this, but it's cool and it's fun. Bam, bam, bam. Thank you, man and ma'am. That's the real, that's the baby right there. No, that's the baby right there. No, that's the baby.
How can I be able to see you?
Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I'm ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails are.
Look for me. You about to be on there.